evening, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new video from XtremeTrader. This is Salah speaking. First of all, of course, Happy New Year for everyone, for all my friends and big family I have here on YouTube and Facebook and Telegram and all the platforms. I wish you guys the best of luck this year, and I really hope you guys will learn a lot more about forex trading, and you will get more familiar with this market. And you should know that this market is never easy. This market require experience. It require hell of time of practicing and experiencing a lot of losses. The losses is a must be in my opinion. There is no way you can be a good trader without even losing few days. Even the professional traders, they will lose some days. So whoever tell you that they are never losing, just don't believe them. Uh, this video now will be dedicated for the beginners. I noticed that there is a lot of beginners in my group, especially on Facebook. They are having troubles in understanding the platform of MetaTrader 4. So this video will be dedicated to tell them more about MetaTrader 4 and how we can use it eventually. Um, One question I need to answer first before I start. In the last video, when I was doing the live trading session, some people kept asking me about how I'm choosing my setups because I was just jumping between the pairs and I say no, not good, not good, not good, yeah, good, like that. So people, some of the people, they just want to know how I was picking my trades, why am I saying this one is good and why this one is not good. Very good question. I'm glad you asked. Let me just tell you, as you know, my rule in trading forex is based on about entering the second or first attempt of a support or resistance. So for example, if I see a market like that with a lot of consolidation, meaning the market is ranging, meaning it's just running like in a tube and it's just bouncing back, bouncing up and down inside this tube. This is not really good for trading at all because here you have hell of amounts of attempts of support and resistance. There is so many attempts. You have one attempt, two attempts, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a lot of attempts, and that kind of market I don't want to enter. For example, if I want to do like a live trading video now, I will jump between pairs. Now let's see. For example, here I will say no, not good. Why not good? Why not good? Because, for example, here we have this resistance. So the market is resisting on this level, and we can see here attempt number 1, and here is attempt number 2 as well. But here is about to have attempt number 3. Not only that, but it's not really the good time to place any trade because the candle was still below. It was still red candle. It has to be like a full candle just approaching the level. If I want, for example, to enter here, I need to wait to see a candle that is still actually full bar, still approaching the level. Then I will place my sell order here. Okay? Then I will place my sell order and I will wait for the candle to reverse, going back, hitting the nearest support or resistance. Then here, I'm going to exit my trade. Alright? So what I see here, for example, is still not the right moment to place any trade. And for example, here I will not place any order because now we have here resistance number 1 and here is resistance number 2. So this now, the candle here is creating attempt number 3. Not only that, but there is a potential, there is a possibility actually that the candle will go even more up until this level to hit this previous support after this breakout candle, and now it will create the new resistance. So if I place sell here, I might lose actually some pips and I will waste some money, even though it might reverse, but I will have really an early entry. And you can see the candle now moving up. So if I placed here the sell option, I would have now wasted 28 pips. That's a lot. That's really a lot, guys. You don't want to do that. Alright? The market is flying up, by the way. Seems like a good opportunity for sell here. We'll see. Maybe I will enter this one live in front of you if I have time. So for example, now I'm jumping between the other pairs. This one not good. Why not good? Because what I see here, because I'm on the 1 hour chart, the resistance attempt is here, guys. We can see here attempt number 1 and attempt number 2 of the resistance. Not only that, but the market having a very strong bullish momentum, meaning it's not really the smartest idea to sell here. That's why you have to be careful when you pick your trades. So I will not enter attempt number 3. Moving on like that. This one here, absolutely the worst possible trade you can do here. Because what you have here is, as I said, consolidation on this resistance. We have countless number of attempts of this resistance, and now this candle is trying to make the just more attempt of the resistance. So therefore here there is no clear setup that I can rely on at all. Jumping here, I say this is actually here not really good setup. Why? Because if I want to apply the hit and run, the nearest resistance to the breakout candle, or sorry, to this candle, is this one, this resistance here, like that. Meaning I still have to wait for the candle to go up more 15 pips before I place my trade. That's why when I'm telling you that this setup here not good, meaning we still have to wait more time to have the best entry. So you cannot actually place any trade right now here. Moving on like that, this one is absolutely not good to enter. Why? Because it is late entry. I want to enter either on the earliest point of a support or the earliest point of resistance. Right now, entering in the middle is not smart at all. You have to wait for the right moment to enter your trade, and be careful because a few pips can ruin your account or can ruin your profit. For example, let's say that you place sell here. All right, you place sell here. Now you place your sell on very let's say it's in the wrong place. It's totally in the wrong place. So your entry was here, okay? With the spread, it will be here. And if you want to exit your trade, you will exit your trade at the next nearest support, which is here, because you are selling, right? So you will exit your trade at the nearest support, which is here, meaning you will end up only in 9 pips profit. But if you place your sell right on the right place, on the correct place, at the absolute level of the resistance, which is here, then you can earn 22 pips. That is making a lot. That's making just a huge difference, and you have to be careful and wise when you pick your trades. And that is something I can talk about in the next videos of the live trading sessions. Now let's go back to the main subject, explaining MetaTrader for the beginners. Now, at first, let me tell you something. When you open your MetaTrader 4 for the first time, it will not look like that at all. Let me just try. I didn't do that in a long time actually. Just 1 second. Yeah, it will just look like that. When you first time launched MetaTrader 4, it will look like that, and of course nobody wants that. We cannot understand anything out of this chart. So what you need to do here, if you look here on the dashboard you have here on MetaTrader 4, look at this section here. We have here 3 options of how you want the candles to look like. You can either have it as a bar, and this is, by the way, the bars, which is not good at all, not easy to read. And if you want to have the candles, and this is what we love, this is what we are used for. Or if you want, there's lines. These lines are actually quite useless in my opinion, and it's just good if you want to see the market movement during the long period. It's just like if you want to read it as a diagram, or just want to see where are the highs and lows. But I don't like it at all, to be honest. What I like is the candles, It's giving a more clear image of how the chart is moving, and it's easier to read the candles, to read how the buyers and sellers are pushing the market from their side. So one more thing also is you can see, guys, how the candle is actually at the absolute right side of the chart, and it's making it quite not comfortable to see how the market is moving. Therefore, you have this option here. If you click on this shift end of the chart from right border, just click on this one, and you can see now you have more space available for you, so it's now easier to read the chart. You can even drag it a little bit more to the right or to the left. If you look here, uh, there is a small arrow, very small arrow, and you can just drag and drop this arrow like that. So you can choose where you want the candle to be ended. And I prefer it to be like this, or sometimes actually like that. Yeah, like that. So it is giving more space to see what's going on or what's happening. It's just giving better view for the market, and I love it this way. These are personal preferences, of course, and it is up to you. One more thing. Um, the templates. The templates, if you click here, you can see the templates you have. And I have a binary options template. I have a Ichimoku template, and I have educate. This is for the videos I'm making on YouTube. And you can see this is my template. I will put this template for you on the description on YouTube, so you can just load my template. I will just here. So I will give it to you guys. XtremeTrader template. Okay? Template. I don't know how you spell template exactly. Sorry, English is not my native language. Template. Maybe like that. Not sure. Okay. So I will put it for you on the description, so you can download it and use it. And how you can apply it, by simply click on this one here and click load template, and then pick your template from where you download it. This is the one here. Just simply apply it, and you are good. You will have this template in your MetaTrader 4. One more thing, very important, is the indicator of the candle expiration time. This is very useful, and to be honest, I cannot trade at all without seeing this indicator. You can see it here, and I will show you now how we can apply it on MetaTrader 4. Don't worry, guys, it is really very easy, trust me. So these are the indicator here. The indicator consists of two files. Both of them, of course, the same name, on different formats. The first one is EX4 file, the other one is MQL4 file. No worries, they are both gonna placed on the same folder, so you don't have to be confused on which one to be placed in which folder. So let's make this simple. Simply, you just need to open your MetaTrader 4 after downloading the indicator, of course, to your desktop or somewhere. Go to File, go to Open Data folder. Now here we have the files of MetaTrader 4. If we look also, we have here a folder called Templates. Templates is having all the templates you just saw on my MetaTrader 4 that I'm using. These are the same ones. And if you look also, you can see this MQL4 folder. Open this one, and now you have another folders. Click on Indicators. Open Indicators, and right now, what you need to do here, guys, is simply just one second. Open the indicator you just downloaded from the description link in this video, and simply drag and drop like that. Simple. Move and replace, move and replace. No worries, because I have it already. And once you do that, you will need to close your MetaTrader 4, close this folder, and MetaTrader 4, close, and then open it again. like that. Now you have the indicator here. You will see it appear on the top of the left side of the chart. Now another part to talk about is the copy paste of the trend lines. I noticed a lot of people actually asking me about that when I'm drawing, for example, the line like this, then I'm just cloning it like that, like that, like that. So there are some beginners who don't know how to do this one. You simply, after drawing the chart, or sorry, after drawing the line, if you see now, you cannot move the chart, sorry, the line. Now I'm trying to move it, I'm not able to, like that. I cannot move it, I cannot edit it, I cannot do anything. I have to double click on the line, like that. Double click, and you can notice here, you have this mark that this line is now editable, and now you can actually drag it wherever you want. What you need to do is, on this mode, hold on your control button, keep your hand on on the control button, and then drag the line. Now you can see the clone has appeared. And just remove your hand from the mouse, like this. Now you have two lines appeared. This is very useful when you want to draw the trend lines. For example, I draw the trend line here like that. Okay, now I want to clone this one in order to see or to create the channel. Now you can see I cannot move it at all because it's not on the edit mode. You need to double click on the trend line. Now you can see the mode. You can see these squares appeared on the line, meaning you can now drag it and move it wherever you want. And what you will do, simply hold on control button on your keyboard, hold on the control button and drag the mouse, hold the mouse on the line and drag it, like that. Quite simple, and you can see that is how you can also now draw your channel. Now you have the channel of this upper trend line. Switching between the assets. Some members, the beginners, are actually quite surprised. How can I just switch very quickly between the pairs like that? The answer is just highlight the pair you want to switch to, and then hold on the left button of the mouse, left click, and you can see now you can drag it. You can drag it anywhere you want. Of course, I will drag it here in the chart. Go to the next one. Go to the AUDJPY, for example. Hold on the left click like that. Don't remove your hand. Now release your finger, like that. And again, another chart, another pair, sorry, CHFGPY. Hold on the left click. Don't remove your finger. Now release it, and so on, like that. So it's quite simple, quite easy. You just need to drag it and drop. That's all. Nothing tricky about it. We need to talk about the pending orders. But before pending orders, I need to talk about the orders themselves. A lot of beginners, they don't know how to use the volume. For example, if they want to place a new trade, they will go to the new order, and here you have to select which volume you want to use. Now the big question is, how can I know what is the good volume I can use here? Don't worry, there are so many solutions that can help you to choose which volume you want to apply. For example, go to Google and type on Forex volume calculator. Forex volume calculator. Go to the first one. Go to the position size calculator on my FX book. This is quite very helpful to tell you how much you want to risk from your money, easily for you to understand, and it will tell you which lot size is good for you. So for example, the account size. What is your account size? For example, here I have $140 on my account, so I will write $140. Risk ratio and percentage. So this is now asking you, how much do you want to risk? Now, out of this $140, I want to risk, let's say, about 10% only for the trade. I don't want to risk more than that. So just write 10, 10 meaning 10%, meaning 10% of this $140. So this calculator, what is it basically doing? This is helping me. For example, I'm a beginner and I have this $140 in my account. I want to risk only 10% from this balance, but I don't know how much volume I should use. Shall I use 0.10? Shall I use 0.1? Which is, by the way, 0.10. Shall I use 10 lot maybe? I'm a beginner. I don't know anything about that. Okay? So I need something to help me understanding what what lot size I will use. So this calculator is your answer. It is the best for you. Let's continue. So we choose here the account size, which is $140. Your account, what is your account size? Risk ratio, how much are you planning to risk? If you can risk 50% of the account. This is not $50, not $50. This is 50% of your account. So you can use even 2%. Just write 2. I want to risk only 2% of my account. So anyway, I want to use 5% to risk only from my account. Stop loss, pips. You can just say how much pips you want to lose maximum. Just mention like 15. I don't want to lose more than 15 pips maximum. And then click on calculate. Now, this is giving you the answer. When you said you want to risk only 5% of your account, meaning you are risking only $7 of your account. Now, what is the lot size you want to apply? The answer is here. Lots to be used is 0.047. So I will go here. Now I'm feeling safe. I will place 0.047. This is the right amount if I want to risk only 5% from this account on one single trade. So this will help you quite a lot in your trades. Some even even advanced trader, they can use this calculator if they want. Let's go to the pending orders. This button here having a lot of options. When we click here on new order, we have the symbol and we have the volume as explained before. We have the stop loss, meaning you can select where you want your stop loss to be set and where you want your take profit to be set as well. That you can do after placing the trade. Comment is for your own reference. If you want to see any comment for you, maybe you can, if you want, you can write trade for my friend or trading news or like that, whatever. Now type market execution or pending order. Of course, market execution meaning you will place the trade immediately. Pending order, here's the tricks. Some people actually making confusion about this one. Let me just explain to you the difference between buy limit and buy stop and sell limit and sell stop. Yeah, so I've made these to make it easier for you. If we look here, we have, of course, buy limit and sell limit, and we have the buy stop and sell stop. So what is the difference between these four options? Let me tell you. Buy limit or sell limit is, in other words, the reversal. Meaning if the market is going down, going up somewhere, and if you want it to be sell, if you want to set your pending order on a level where you want to actually sell. Wait a minute, I want to make it easier for you. For example, this candle here, for example, this market is going up. All right. So I want the market to actually open a sell order once it reaches this resistance level here. And I want to set for it a stop loss and a take profit, so the trade will be automatically opened when I am away of the computer. So in this way, for this target, you will have to use a pending order of sell limit. Here, go to pending order, select sell limit. So by choosing sell limit, I'm telling the MetaTrader 4 to wait for the candle to reach this level of the resistance. Once it's reached, activate a sell option. So how do we do that? Simply write the number if you want, or easier for you, you can just see this at price. It says here at price, and the price now is currently 0, of course. So you just need to click up or down. I will click up like that. Look at that, guys. Keep your eyes here. Keep your eyes on this gray arrow, or sorry, gray line. It will keep moving up, up. It will keep moving more up because I'm clicking the upper arrow, and it's just keep going up more. And then place sell. Now what happened? This is the line, and you can move it freely wherever you want. Of course, you cannot sell it below. Why? You cannot sell it below because this is a pending order of sell, meaning the candles has to reach it from below, and then it will reverse, and your sell order will be activated right on this level. So you can set it only above the current price, not below. So you just set it here. Alright. Now I want to set for it take profit. You just right click on the line and select modify. Now here you have the stop loss and take profit. You can set them as well. Stop loss, of course, will be above because this is sell option. Alright. Take profit will be, of course, below because this is sell option. So meaning I will take profit on the sell So like that. Now you can see we have two lines. This is the stop loss. You can move it wherever you want, and the take profit you can also move it wherever you want. So this is all pending, meaning nothing is active yet. Now if the candle will go up to this level on this resistance, a sell option will be activated, and this is your stop loss, and this is your take profit for this trade. Now let's go to the, of course, by the way, guys, same goes to the buy limit. Buy limit is, in other words, let me just see. Yeah, pending order for buy limit, meaning you can set it below the current price. So when the candle goes down on the support, for example, an option of buy will be opened, and you just hope for the candles to reverse, and you will get the profit this way. You have to just wait for the candle to hit your pending order of buy option on this support. So just the opposite. Now let's go to the buy stop and sell stop. What is buy stop and sell stop? Buy stop and sell stop is simply the continuation. This is what we are using for the news trades. For example, here I want to set my pending order buy stop at this level. So what am I doing here? If I set here pending order of buy stop, meaning I want to trade the breakout of the level, meaning the candle, once they reach this level here, not sell option will be activated, it will be buy stop, meaning the continuation. So the buy order will be activated here, and I will be in profit, and I can set where I want my take profit to be, either here or here, wherever I want. Of course, vice versa, going for the sell limit, sorry, for the sell stop. Sell stop is, if I want to set my sell stop, I will set it on this level here. And then once the candle reach this level here of the sell stop, a sell order will be activated, and I hope for a breakout to take me with it and give me some profit along with it. So in other words, if you want to make it very simple and easy, buy limit and sell limit is for reversal. If you are planning for a reversal, if you want the candle to, if you want to place sell option when the candles are going up, you want to place sell order on the resistance, this is what you want to use, sell limit. If you want to set a buy option when the candles are going down, hitting a support level, and you want to place the buy option here, so you hopefully getting the reversal, this is what you want to set is buy limit. Sell stop, and buy stop is for the continuation. If you have a resistance like that and you are expecting a breakout from the level, you just need to select where is your buy stop. You will set here your buy stop. This is buy stop, not bullshit. So here at this level here, you will set your buy stop, and hopefully there will be a breakout, and the profit will take you along with it. So now, guys, the question is: Have I covered everything you need to know about MetaTrader 4? The answer is absolutely no. This is only for the beginners who want to use XtremeTrader trading style. What I showed you here is whatever we are using on this channel for our trades. Of course, MetaTrader 4 is so much bigger than that. We have the candle time frames, we have the Jan indicators, we have the Fibonacci, we have the shapes, we have the arrows, text. MetaTrader 4 is so big. One video is not enough at all to explain whatever we have on MetaTrader. So what I explained here is the things we are using in XtremeTrader channel for our hit and run strategy and for our scalping sessions. These are the things the beginners need to know in order to be able to catch up with the videos posted on this channel. In the near future, I will make a video explaining the advanced things in MetaTrader 4. I will also talk about how we choose our setups. I will talk about that in another video if you want, on the next live trading video. This video is actually dedicated for the very beginners who just want to use MetaTrader 4 in our style. So guys, more videos will come very soon, and I will see you soon, guys, with more live trading videos and hopefully some other strategies for trading, and especially for the swing trades. So guys, until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.